Here is an example to illustrate all the above facts. ABC Company has the following items in their books. Year 1 bought PPE worth rupees 900 lakhs. In this, land and buildings are of rupees 500 lakhs and the rest are machinery. Year 2, company revalues land and building to rupees 700 lakhs and machinery to rupees 300 lakhs. Year 3, company revalues land and building to rupees 400 lakhs and machinery to rupees 350 lakhs. Year 4, company sells its machinery for rupees 300 lakhs. Year 5, company sells its land and building for rupees 600 lakhs. So now, let us see the treatment of increase or decrease in the value of assets in the books of accounts. In year 1, it is obvious that there shall be no treatment in the books of accounts. In year 2, we can see that value of land and building have increased from rupees 500 lakhs to 700 lakhs. Thus, revaluation surplus on land and building is 700 minus 500, that is rupees 200 lakhs. The same shall be credited to property revaluation reserve and will be disclosed in company's books under owner's equity. In year 2, the value of machinery has decreased from 400 to 300 lakhs. So friends, here there is a revaluation deficit on machinery of 400 minus 300, that is rupees 100 lakhs. The same shall be charged to P&L account of year 2. Now in year 3, the land and building has significantly decreased from 700 to 400 lakhs. Thus, we can see a revaluation deficit 700 minus 400, that is rupees 300 lakhs. Now in this case, rupees 200 lakhs debited to the property revaluation reserve and set off against earlier reserve created. The balance of rupees 100 lakhs is to be recorded as expense in P&L account. In year 3 only, the value of machinery has increased from rupees 300 to 350 lakhs. Thus, there is an increase of 350 minus 300, that is of rupees 50 lakhs. Now friends, it should be noted that it shall be treated from P&L account of year 3, so as to reverse an earlier deficit. In year 4, we can see that there is no change in the value of land and building. However, there is a loss on sale of machinery. The machine which is valued at rupees 350 lakhs is sold for rupees 300 lakhs. The deficit of rupees 350 minus 300 lakhs, that is rupees 50 lakhs, is to be debited to P&L account. In the year 5, land and building is sold for rupees 600 lakhs. Thus, there is surplus on sale of land, 600 minus 400, that is rupees 200 lakhs. Now, we clearly need to understand that rupees 100 lakhs is to be credited to P&L as a reverse of earlier of deficit, and the balance of rupees 100 lakhs shall be transferred to revaluation reserve.